Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to Deep Exploration Code. In this video, I will show you how to flatten a rounded surface. After opening Blender, we delete the cube by clicking on the delete button. After that, by clicking on Shift plus A, then on Mesh, and finally on UV Sphere, we get a sphere. Afterwards, we change the following parameters, namely 64 for segments, 32 for rings, and 3 for radius. Next we go to Edit mode. After that we click on numpad 7 to have a top view. Then we select the whole visible part, which corresponds to the half sphere as it is shown when we click on numpad 1. Next we click on S and then on Enter. After that we give the value 0 to the Z-axis. We notice that the rounded surface becomes flat, however, at a given height. To reduce this height, you just have to click on G, then give the value of -1.75 along the Z-axis, for example, to get a half sphere. By clicking on numpad 8, we can see the top view of our half sphere. Now we will show another way to flatten a rounded surface. First, we will click on numpad 7 to have a top view. Then we select the whole visible part, which corresponds to the half sphere. After that, we click on the delete button and then we click on vertices to delete the half sphere. Next, we turn our half sphere by clicking on numpad 2 many times. Thereafter, we click on vertex with the left mouse button. Now we select several other vertices by clicking on Ctrl plus left mouse button as follows. Then we click on F button to get a closed surface, so we get a flat surface. This is how we get a flattened surface from a rounded surface. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time.